Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about pinhole camera. What are the parts we found in a pinhole camera? Actually there are three parts. There should be an object. This is a screen, right? And this is a box, but we can slide this screen here and there. And this is an eye hole. This is the construction of a pinhole camera. And there is a hole, very small hole here, right? When you see through this hole, or you can say it as eye hole, the image of this object we found is in the screen. This is suppose a screen, right? We can see an image, inverted image on this screen. Suppose this is a candle. We have taken 2 points A and B. You see, since this is a pinhole, the light travels in this way and goes to the point A dash. And this point B, light goes through in this way and meet at B dash. If we made an image, you'll see that the image is inverted. It is A dash B dash, right? And this is based on the rectilinear propagation of light. That is, we can say that light travels in a straight line, right? In a pinhole camera, there are 3 parts we can take. That is, one is an object, a pinhole, a screen, and an eye hole. And these are the 2 chambers or 2 boxes. We can slide one box over the another. We will show you this in a model and explain how this image is formed. And you have to remember that pinhole camera is based on the rectilinear propagation of light. You see, this is that light travels in a straight line. You see, the B point goes to B dash. Since it is a pinhole, the hole is very small, what we call it as pinhole, and A goes to A dash, B goes to B dash, and forms an inverted image on the screen. This is the principle of a pinhole camera. And I will explain and I will show you how the image is formed in a pinhole camera. Now I will show you the pinhole camera and explain the various parts. You see here, this is our pinhole camera. See, this is our pinhole camera. Now you can see the various parts in a pinhole camera. You see here, this is the eye hole through which we can see the image, right? And on the other part, there is a pinhole. You can see here. You see, there is a pinhole. You see, this is the pinhole. Very small hole here. You see here, this is the pinhole, right? And you see, you can slide this in this way. You can slide this one, right? And you can see the image of the object and inverted image of the object. And you see there are parts, there are 3 parts actually. If we take it out, let us see what are the various parts. Here we have taken it out. Here you see, there is a glass here. That means this is where the image is formed. This is the screen. And you can slide over another. And this is the eye hole, right? And you see, this one, this box can slide over another to focus the image in a better way. And this is the eye hole. Now I will show you the image of an object, and you see that the image of the object will be inverted. You see here, this can be slide one over the other. You see this one? It goes up inside and slide, and thus we can focus the image of the object in a very better way. This is a pinhole camera. Now I will show you how the inverted image is formed in a pinhole camera. Let us take an object and you see that how the image is formed in this pinhole camera. Let's again explain. How many parts are there? I already told you. There is a eye hole, right? And there are two boxes. One can slide over the another, right? And here you see this is the glass piece. That means this is acting as a screen, right? And this is another box, and you can see that there is a pinhole. You see here, you can see the white page is seen. You see, there is a pinhole. Here you can see that there is a pinhole. You can see here, right? And it can slide over the another. This is the screen, actual screen, and I will show you how the image is formed in a pinhole camera. Let us you see, it can slide in this box very easily, right? So that we can focus the image of the object very clearly. Now I will show you how the image is formed in a pinhole camera. You see, this is the setup we have taken. Here you see, there is a this one, right? And you can see through the camera and how we see. Let us see. This is the setup, right? And let us see how it shows. Let us see through the camera. You see that we are getting an inverted image of the flame. You see here, you see, you see here that we are getting a very clear inverted image of the picture of the flame, inverted image of the flame, right? And we have already explained why it is inverted, because this is based on rectilinear propagation of light. Now see, through this hole we are getting an inverted image of the flame. You see, we are getting clear picture of inverted image of the flame. That means in a pinhole camera is based that light travels in a straight line, and that's why we are getting an inverted image of the flame. You see here, getting an inverted image. See again, we are getting an inverted image of the flame. And this is the setup in which we saw the inverted image, and we have focused this by sliding this one, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.